Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Let's talk about not sleeping. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers, 1 teaspoon of dried lavender buds, 1 teaspoon of dried valerian root, 1 teaspoon of dried lemon balm, and 1 cup of water. Instructions: combine all the dried herbs in a tea infuser or tea bag. Boil water and pour 1 cup over the herbs. Allow it to steep for 10 to 15 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the effects and flavor will be. Strain to remove the solids and add honey to taste or a slice of lemon. How to use: valerian root has a strong, earthly taste and may be overpowering to some. Adjust the steeping time and amount to your preference. This tea is an effective sleep aid. It should not be used when working with machinery. It can interact with some medications and should be used with caution. Drink the tea 30 minutes before bed. If sleep issues persist, consult a healthcare provider. How it works: valerian root contains valerianic acid, which inhibits the breakdown of gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA, in the brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate nerve cells and calm anxiety. Valerian root also contains isovaleric acid and valerianols that help sedate the central nervous system. All of these compounds contribute to its sedative effects. Chamomile contains apigenins that binds to benzodiazepine receptors to help initiate sleep. Lavender has linalool and linaloyl acetate, which are terpene alcohols that decrease heart rate and blood pressure, which aid in the calming effect and promote relaxation. Lemon balm contains rosmarinic acid, which modulate the GABA transmitting activity and enhance a sense of tranquility. It also contains eugenol, which numbs tissue and serves as a natural pain reliever, which may also aid in relaxation. Like, share, follow, and subscribe to see new content.